Alright, so back to the video. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but so I have this really bad headset. Hold on, let me show you guys this quickly. So I have this really bad headset that I've had for a while now from Xbox. Alright, I made an unboxing video on this actually. I think I forgot to publish it. I don't remember, but it's been a while though, and I was like, yeah, I think it's time to get a new headset because it's been through a lot. So I got this new headset, and I was gonna make a video on it because I haven't made a video in 6 months. So yeah, so I just want to show you guys what it's like getting my new headset. And I got that bubble wrap. You guys always need that. It's the best part of the unboxing. So you just got the paper telling you about it. And you got the headset on the inside, bro. Alright. So this is the headset itself. It's a pretty good headset. I don't remember if it's wired or wireless. I don't know, but yeah, it's a pretty good headset. It's a good brand too. Works for VR actually, PlayStation, PC, Xbox, Mac, mobile, Nintendo Switch, and yeah. So I'm just gonna get this old. Okay, hold up. So I've got scissors with me, so I'm just gonna use this. Where'd that pencil go? Oh, it's over there. Whatever. Hold up a second. I'm just gonna use this to my earbuds to get this plastic part open. So. Maybe. I don't know. Hold up. Alright, yeah, I'll be just I got that pencil, you need that. Alright. So I just stabbed a hole in the cardboard trying to get open the plastic part, and it's not right. Okay, don't open this like how I am. Actually get a knife, but it's too late to go back, so. I'm just wrecking this. This is. Hold up. I almost got it. Whew, that was so much just to get the plastic open. Alright, so it's a nice box. I guess it's just a black cardboard box with the headphones. God damn it, what's another cardboard thing? Just hold up. Maybe I can get past this part. Oh, bro, this is the worst part. Oh, I need to actually open this. God damn, bro. Alright. This is gonna irritate the crap out of me, dude. Use a pen has a sharper end to it. Alright, I got it. Alright. Alright, so now we're inside. So this paper, the voice crack. Alright, so there's all the papers, the manual and everything. It's the manual itself, but that's just like, I don't know. Dang, bro, it's actually pretty nice. Like, I was looking at it inside the box though. I like how it came. It came pretty nice itself, I think. The mic is a lot better than this one, I can tell you that. That's what I need. I needed the mic, most importantly. I was thinking of a snowball mic, like all like the big YouTubers and streamers and whatever use. I was like, just get a headset, you know? Good stuff. Okay. So this is something. Hold on. Alright, what's out of them? Oh, this stuff. Another cord for it? And I'll find out what that does later. And some plastic part that could be important, but I have no idea. What for right now? Okay, there's so much to this headset. There's like these little like the twisty things in the back of it to hold it together. That's why I couldn't get it out at first. Alright, just hold up. Honestly, pretty boring unboxing, not gonna lie, but that's my channel, Nothing good. Okay, this one. Come out the rope. Oh my god. Alright. And the headset itself. Right, it better not be like a huge headset on my head. Like the last one was. That was annoying to play with too. Alright, so what's right and left? Does it say? It's probably gonna be like this, probably. Hey. Alright. I don't know, but that's gonna be the unboxing video. It's pretty easy, pretty good, pretty nice. Pair of headphones. Whatever this weird. What the hell is this weird plastic part, bro? What is this? Yeah, I don't know. Taking that bolt out and taking that out on both the sides, cause I mean it's like to prevent it from scratching. And I still get who cares? It's gonna go through a lot. It's a nice headset itself. All right, well that's the headset. Oh, it's like a HyperX headset, I think it's called. I don't know. Here, let me get through the box. Yeah, HyperX, it says right there. All right, so that's the headset. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, because I really need that support. I've been making videos lately, so come on, man, you gotta show me that good stuff, right? That's not messed up. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.